How to enable Find My Device in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn it on so you can locate your PC if it ever gets lost or stolen. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. After that, click on Find My Device on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a toggle at the top. Turn that on to enable the feature. From here, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft account on this device, since Find My Device uses your account to track and display your PC's location. Following this, also make sure Location Services is turned on, since the feature relies on it to pinpoint where your device is. After that, if your device ever goes missing, open a browser on any device and go to account.microsoft.com. Sign in with the same Microsoft account and click on Devices. From here, select your PC from the list and click Find My Device to see its last known location on a map. Finally, keep in mind that the location shown is based on when the device was last connected to the internet, so it may not be exact if it's been offline for a while. That's how you enable Find My Device in Windows 11. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then.